Today's question is, what is a site that I can use for NotebookLM source material? There's so many answers to that question. I mean, the first answer that comes to mind is everyone's favorite, it depends. And I mean, it really does. I mean, it depends on what topics you care about, what kind of material you want. Like, do you want videos? Do you want like long form written text? Do you want short form written things? Do you want research papers? There are a lot of different answers. Because none of that was really provided and we don't really have a way to go back and forth, I will just choose something that I think will cover a lot of use cases. Let me switch over here, and this is MIT OpenCourseWare, and this is the I think world famous college, MIT, and they basically have a lot of, I mean, it says it right here, they have a lot of their courses, materials, and teaching resources available for free. And this is ocw.mit.edu, and then you can go on here and you can navigate the site and look through the different courses and look through all the stuff. I'll just stick to the beginning here, and if you just start with this upper left-hand corner like search box, you can put in whichever topic you care about. If you don't know, MIT actually has a private pilot ground school, which is kind of interesting. So I'm going to go in here, and it's just like, even if you have no aspirations of being a pilot, maybe you're just interested in aerodynamics or just all the things that go into aircraft flying. But you go in and you type in whatever topic. Again, in this case, we'll just do private pilot because I want to get to the private pilot ground school, and then it'll bring this up and you have courses and resources. Again, in this case, 895 results, but I'm just going to go into the actual course here, and then I click on this, and it has different information here. It has your syllabus and lecture notes, etc. And then you can, usually on the right-hand side, there's an option to download the course. And then this will go into a lot of the things that I think you would want to put into NotebookLM as source material if you care about the topic. Let me collapse this. So you have, in this case, you have lecture videos, lecture notes, and then podcasts. And then if you look on the right over here, you have like your different resource types. You can download the entire course. That can tend to be a lot of stuff. And it has a list up here of everything that's in the package. But what I've found to be useful is if you just go into the like individual lectures that you might care about, you can click on that, and then again, you can either download the video and then upload that video to NotebookLM, or in a lot of cases, they will actually put their courses, their videos on YouTube. So if you go into, let's say, like this lecture that I care about, like meteorology, and I want to watch this, I can click on the watch on YouTube, and then this will actually take me over to YouTube where I can take that link. I mean, I can actually just right click on this and then save the link as, or I can click on this and then go to YouTube and then save the link from YouTube. But either way, because you can upload YouTube links onto NotebookLM, I can just put this entire video in as a source, and then I can pull from it. If for whatever reason I don't want to put the video on there, this also has the transcript available. So I can go in and then I can just copy the transcript, maybe with the timestamps on here, and then put that as my source. So let me go back, and then maybe I don't want the video, so I want to go to lecture notes, and these are usually the slide decks that they will use in their courses. So this one, maybe I want to learn about aircraft systems, and I come in here, and this is a 30 slide deck, and then I can look over here, and I can download the file, and this will just download a PDF, and then I can upload that PDF to NotebookLM. Then I can basically go through here and preview it first. So I can scroll through, and it'll just show me all the different slides that it has, and I can look through here, and if this information is relevant to what I want to put into NotebookLM, or maybe I want to have a quote unquote conversation with this slide deck, I can download this and upload it to NotebookLM. So again, you can do this with most courses that I've seen in here, and most of the lectures, they make their slides available. So I go back to download course. Again, these are all the different slide decks that are in here. And then there's also a list of podcasts. This one only has one, but again, it's the same idea. I can come in here, and this one specifically, they also put on YouTube. So same thing. I can just kind of take this link and put it in NotebookLM, or I can click on the link and go into YouTube and then take it from there, or I can just pull the transcript. But I mean, it really depends on the course. So you can come in here, but I get the whole idea is that there's a ton of information on here, and something like MIT, they have courses on so many different topics that if you're looking for source material, again, whether you want slide decks or you want videos or you want, whatever kinds of things, it's probably in here somewhere. So it really depends. If you're looking for, sites for source material, you really would want to start with topics that you care about, and then formats that you want your sources to be in. And if you don't really care, then just have a topic and then come to something like MIT OpenCourseWare, search for that on the main page. And then, so it's like you come in here, go into this search box here, or the equivalent on whatever page you're on, and then just search for whatever that topic is and then see what comes up. Because I really like this page. You can go through courses on just kind of anything, and so many of the resources, they are directly uploadable to NotebookLM. So I would definitely check this out. There are many other answers to the question. I might make some follow-up videos and then just point out some other ones, but I think this is a really good starting point. So try it out and see what you think, and we will see you next time.